Look at the water. See the water? Open the window. What's in? Oh! What did you think about that? It's cold to me. What did you think about the pool? Splash your feet around? Kick your footsies. Oh, reach down and feel the water? Can you reach and feel it?
Somebody slowly let him sit down.
Yeah, look at the water. Yeah. What you think about the water? Kick his little footsies. Yeah, look at you kick your
Why
legs.
don't you let him sit down a little bit on his bottom? Here we go. He's fascinated by that, isn't he?
Yeah. What does his face look like? Does he look happy or not?
He looks fascinated.
I think I'm sitting in a bed of ants, Luke. I see ants all around me. What you think, buddy? You get on your tummies again? Oh, I like your tummies.
Ooh. Ooh.
Want to sit down again? Want to sit? There you go. Your bath water's going to feel good after this.